Hello, this is Alagi, and first of all, thank you for purchasing from my Etsy store. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install this and make it useful for yourself. So, let's get started. So, this is my first website that I have uploaded to my Etsy store. It doesn't matter what website you have purchased from my store, the process will remain same for every each of them. So what you need to do first is let me know what first is to first uh, go to this website shopify.com, and if you have not registered yet, then click on start on free, and if you have, then just log in. Make sure you have Shopify basic plan to get started, otherwise some settings will not be uh, available to you. So so make sure that you have some products available in your store. As you can see, I have many. If you don't know how to add a product, just click on here, add a title, description, media, and choose category whatever you want, and just click on save, and you will have your product. If you want a detailed video on it, I have included link in the PDF guide that I have made available for download. And also make sure you have a few collections, because you need collections on your website. uh, this is your inventory, how much you have your item left. This is where you will see it: purchase order, transfer, gift cards. Okay, if you don't have this is a gift card, maybe I will discuss it later. Also make sure if you want blogs on your website. It's not necessary you want blogs, but if you need blog, this is where you will create. Okay, add blog post. This is where you create menus. As you can see, I have many menus available. Blog post, and any file you will be added will be shown here. Okay, so let's get started. So whatever website you have downloaded from my Etsy store, you need to go here, import theme, and upload zip file, add file, and go to your file. Let me see where I have. Yeah, here it is. So once it's uploaded, you can see a publish button. Just click on publish, and it's done. Your website is live now. You can see your store by clicking on view your store. So this is your store. This is how it will look if you have downloaded PetLoom website from my Etsy store. So you need to edit this. To edit this, you need to click on Edit Theme in Online Stores and Theme. Edit Theme. Now, let me tell you first thing. If you need to change colors of your website and typography, it's like the if you want to change color of your primary, so you can just click here and change whatever color you want. And you can also click Ctrl Z to go back. So I will keep this color right now, and if you need to change, you just click and change. Typography here, as you can see, body font is assistant. If you want to change this, you can click on any font you want. As simple as that. I have included one extra font, cursive font, if you need to change this, but I have not made it uh, anywhere available. If you need anywhere cursive font, just reach out to me via Etsy, and I will help you out. So I have a password page. You will not need this if you don't want password on your store, but if you want, you can change this via this. And so we will start with header. So you'll notice I have my own logo here. If you want to change this, just click on select, and if you will not have files here, so if you have not uploaded any yet, you need to click on add files and add whatever logo you want to add. I will simply, and now if you have uploaded your logo, it will show up here, and just click on it and your logo will be updated. So in here, collection menu is this menu. In here, if you have not added made any collection in the uh, product section, you need to first create a menu. You can also create from here, but you can see I have already many collections, so I'll just click on one and it will function. Now if you don't want blog, you don't have to select this, and you can also uncheck this and you will not see any blog icon. But if you want blog on your website, click on whatever blog you have made for yourself in uh, content, and then blog, and you will see your blog icon here. So this is the about icon. You need to select the about page. I have you need to you also need to made about page yourself. Okay, I will let me first save it, and here make sure the name is exactly as this, otherwise that page will not show up there. So make sure you add page first, then you can uh, select your page there. So I will also select contact page, the function. So header is completed. As I mentioned, if you want to change colors of the background, you can change from here. So let's say if you want this color as a background, you need to just click on it. Now, now let's add first background image. You can choose whatever background you want. Now, if you want to change the text here, you might. You just click and type in your brand name and then select your parallax subject. You can change parallax strength if you let me show you. As you can see, there is so many movement here, but if you decrease it to 0, actually I have set limit to 5, so there is very little parallax. So you can change the parallax. Uh, movement by this. Overlay opacity, as you can see, there is a background color. If you increase it, it will multiply the background image with background color. Okay, I will decrease this to 0. Now let's add buttons and heading. I will first add button. You can paste links here, whatever your button need to do. I will choose all products, and for the heading, let's choose heading. So our home section is hero section is ready. Let me change this to this. Now if you want to edit the announcement bar section, you need to click on this and type in whatever you want. So let's say one innovation at time. Let's click on save. Now if you want to add another section in between this, you can uh, hover your mouse between the sections and click on whatever section you need. Okay, and you can also delete any section if you don't want. If you don't want frequently asked questions section, you can just click on delete. So let's move on to the newsletter section, and there's not much you want to edit in here. Okay, but if you want, there is I made options available here. Feature collection. So this is example products I have made, but you want to select your collection here. If you don't have any collection, you can just create on click collection. I will select new arrival collection, which I already made. If you don't want view all button, just disable it. You can tinker here uh, what options you want to change. In okay, in offer section, You can change your time zone. If you are in Asia, you might want to change. You want you need to change it to IST, and you can change whatever time zone you need, and you can select your time here for this countdown. And this is the uh, you can say sale push section. You can change whatever you need here, and this code you can generate it. Let me show you. Cell 30 I have you can change from here, but this code will not work if you have not made. Okay, first let me sort of save it. If you have not here you can see create discount and discount code, you can type sell 30 and how much discount you want to give, and just click on save. You can check many options here that are available here, and you can also adjust time here, and then you can paste this whatever code you made in here, and that's how that code will work in the checkout when customer will check out. Okay, so let's move on to the frequently asked question. So you will not find here. You need to click on this drop down menu, and let's add question first. So I have already made questions for myself. I will make this available for you if you want exact like this. So let's copy this question and just paste it. Let's copy the answer. And you can just go back, and this question will be, you can add multiple, whatever, how many question you want, just like this. And for the testimonials, you need to click on the drop down menu and add testimonial. I have also made asset for it, which I will make available to you. Let's click on the Sophia Morals and Sophia Morals. Customer location, Austin, Texas, USA. Now you can choose how many star you want to give yourself. Okay, there's another way if you want a customer to uh, give you a review. There is an app called I can't remember exactly what's app called, but if you want a genuine review on your page, you need to download the app, that app. Okay, but if you want just for the sake of your website, you can simply add this testimonial. Okay, let me tell you, this will not look properly if you don't add more than 6 testimonials. So make sure you add at least 6 testimonials here. Okay. So If you don't need this video section, you can simply delete it, but I will suggest to keep an one simple video for your website. You can simply add files and your video will be available to you. Type whatever you want here and video will simply show up. So this is your home page, but you have multiple pages. You need to edit all these pages. So let's go one by one. So this is how your product will look like to customer. So usually you add description in the usually you add description here in products, and when you add product you can write description here, but if you don't, you can add description from there as well. Okay, you can add description here as well, and this will override the description you wrote in the products. You can change the trust badge here, and for colors again you need to change from here, but you can't change by it now color because this is the color Shopify want you to have. So you can change this, but you can change this and the background and the heading color from here colors. Okay, you can also add section if you want. If you want something extra, you can add section in. Let me add featured section, and I will select uh, all products here and increase the number of product shown here. Okay, and this look more like now product page. Let me save this. Now let's go to the collection. If you have not made any collection, this will not show up, so make sure you make collection first. So you might not want to change much here, but if you if you need, you can change the background color, product, how much product you want to show on your first page. Okay, and I have specifically made only this edits because this is not where you want to edit much. Okay, if you want, you can add section here also. Let's go to the collection list. Usually collection lists are not shown to the customers, but if you want to show, this is how it will look, and there's not much settings here. Gift card. So I have also not made a much settings here. You can change the uh, this image, your gift card, subheading, button color, that is this button color, and the amount color. This amount will be changed by if you make gift cards. Let's create discount. You can make gift cards from here. You can also make somewhere from here gift card. I think from marketing. And do check from where you can make gift cards. Okay, and that gift card amount will be somewhere. So you you might not want to edit much here, but I have made maybe few. Okay, I have not made any settings here. The default cart is very important. You might not want to tinker very much here. So checkout and customer account. So how your customer account will look like. This is where you will change many stuffs. You can change settings here for all this. This will be checkout page, thank you page, sign page, and you can change all this from here. And this is the only setting I have made available for you. Actually, Shopify have made available for you. Shopify don't want you to change much in customer profile. So this is the only thing you can change. Okay. Let's go back to the our theme store. Pages. You remember we made some pages, but only about and contact page will show up because this is the extra page. Blogs and articles will not show up here. So in about what you want to change, you might want to change the title, subheading. So let's change it. Let's change it to this. You might want to add some images here. Let's add this image. Uh, mission you want, what mission you have, you can add here. So for mission, I will copy this and simply paste. You can add a list here if you want, and you can add features of your website or or your service. So let me add few. So just like this, you can add as much as you want. Okay, so let's save it and let's move to the contact page. I have made an space for image you want to add here. Let me add this image here. Type in your address here, your email and phone number here, and you can add icons here if you want. Let me add Facebook. You must paste your Facebook link here. Let's add another social icon. Let's add Instagram. Again, paste your Instagram account address there, and let's add one more. Let's add X. Again, add your Twitter account handle. Now, if you want to add section, let's say add offer section here, just like that. Your offer section will be available to you. So let's move to the blocks. Not much setting will be here because there's not much you can edit here. This post will be available what you make in the Shopify setting. So you can only change heading and subheading here. You can only change, actually you can only change subheading. Heading will be changed through the Shopify setting. Okay, I have made some gradients here. You can change the gradient color from there. Let's move on to the blog post. Actually, this is article. What article you are posting will be shown like this. As you can see, there is no setting here. Search. So let's edit search page. I made this video available in asset folder. If you want this, if you want to add this for yourself, but you might want to add your own video. So just click on the add files and select a video. Now, if you don't want video here, so you first need to remove if you have added video in here, and then upload your files and just select, and here you go. You can change the search button text and placeholder text here. And if you want to add more section here, okay, I've already added one section, sorry, but if you don't select the collection, it won't swap. So let's select the, and if you want more, you can increase it. Let's move to the password. You might not need this page because if you want your store to be password protected, then this page will show up. Otherwise, it won't show up. This is not a login page. It is only password protected store page. It is not login page. But if you want a password in a website, you can design this as you want. And this is somewhat important page because if there is a link or page that you have on your website but it is not working, so Shopify will direct customer to this page. So you can change color through settings, and we can change emotes from here. Let's add error illustration, and you can change this heading, subheading, back to home button stuffs. But I don't want you to add. I'll recommend, you can do whatever you want, but I'll recommend not to add any other section, but let's add newsletter section. This way they can uh, subscribe to your newsletters. And if you did all this, your website should look like whatever you design it to. So let me so if you did all thing right, your website should look like